So we were both applying for Xerox. I just came out of the Marine Corps, 74, and Larry was just coming back from a Mormon mission. He was a Mormon missionary. And he had the highest conversion rates of Catholics to Mormonism. You know, the Irish race, Catholicism and Irish are like bread and butter, man. They are tight. So for Larry to go into Northern Ireland, heartland of Catholicism, and convert hardcore Irish Catholics into Mormonism, people have no idea what that means. And so Larry and I were both applying to Xerox at the same time, and the Xerox gives us the same BS. Larry never finished school, and all I had was a Bachelor of Science degree. They said, "Where's your master's degree?" And so I looked at the guy, the sales hirers in Honolulu. I said, "What the hell does a master's degree have to do with the ability to sell?" And of course, he had a master's degree because he was going to work at the corporate ladder. I said, "Look, sweetheart, I've just been flying a helicopter against machine guns. And if I can do that, I can knock on some stupid doors and sell some Xerox machines." So Larry at the same time was being hired by Xerox, and they said, "You don't have a master's degree." And Larry says, "This is my record here. I have the highest conversion rate of Catholics in Northern Ireland to Mormonism, the highest ever." You know, the sales manager says to him, "What difference does that make?" He says, "Look, if I can sell Jesus, I can sell anything."